This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Lift the badge on the radiator grille, insert the key and rotate it anti-clockwise to release the bonnet. Lift the bonnet slightly and then rotate the key clockwise to release the safety catch. Open the bonnet and remove the key. Pull out the engine oil level dipstick, then pull up and remove the plastic cover from the top of the engine. Undo the 3 nuts securing the brace to the suspension strut tower and the 4 bolts securing it to the vehicle body. Remove the brace to access the fuel filter. Note the location of the supply and return hoses on the filter. Then place some cloth rags beneath it to catch any spilled fuel. Disconnect the quick release fittings from the filter and position them to one side. Be prepared for some loss of fuel. Depending on type, the fittings either release by squeezing the plastic tabs together or by carefully prizing out the coloured plastic section. Push back the spring clip from the top of the filter and remove it from the mounting bracket. Insert the new filter in the mounting bracket with its stubs in the previously noted positions. Reconnect the hoses. Make sure that the quick release fittings have engaged securely. On the type where the plastic section is prized out, reconnect the fitting, then press the section home until flush to secure. Wipe away any spilled fuel. Manoeuvre the brace into position on the suspension tower and vehicle body. Refit the bolts and nuts, then tighten the bolts securely. And tighten the brace nuts to the specified torque. Refit the plastic cover to the top of the engine and insert the oil level dipstick. As this system is intended to be self-bleeding, no hand priming pump or separate bleed screws or nipples are fitted. Lower the bonnet firmly to engage the lock, fold over the badge.